Hey guys, I'm at the hospital because my mom she already had the baby, but can't move. I was a doctor. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this thingy. I have 7 pets. Hold on. I have 7 pets. One right here. Another one right here. So, another one here. Another one here. Oops. And 2 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And another one over here. Okay. And my cousin's coming asking for his sister. Say hi. Recording you. Okay. So, we're in the bathroom. Okay. I can't move. I can't move. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, I wanted to show you guys something that I got. I got the scanner teaching thingy. The chair. And I got this chair. This looks painful to sit on. Okay, I also got a bunch of bookshelves. I don't know why. I just did. Okay. And I also got these monster chairs.
I stayed outside and farted.
I'm recording you. Okay.
Talking to.
I'm recording you. I know I always because it's stupid. YouTube. Yes. Yep. Oh. And I think my cousin is coming back. This is now. She's in the bathroom. This is now my bed. This is now my bed. Okay.
now.
No. And I need to move.
You're recording.
I know it. Okay, I'm gonna put that down there. Oh yes, I got another window.
What?
Wow. I didn't leave like late at night.
Really?
We left at like 12:30.
Huh?
Yesterday we left at like 12:30.
No.
Allá dejamos quedado un mucho allí.
¿Eso?
Sí, pues toda.
No, because there was this teacher.
Nos agarras y vamos. ¿Y el apoyo?
Okay. Okay.
No.
Oh, there it is.
You guys got another one?
No. I accidentally deleted it. No, I need to come over there. Okay, hold on. Technical. My phone is lagging out.
It's still recording.
I know it is. Okay. So I need to move a little. Okay. Now I can move the tree. What?
You don't even have a dog.
team could have. I'm just kidding.
The tires.
There, I fixed it. There, I fixed it. Okay, and
there was those two way floating. They look like.
there, my new beard.
What is that?
I got a beard. Oh yes, this thing looks like a book. Don't know why, but it's a lie. Do I have anything else? Nope. Okay, guys. So hopefully you guys could join the party that I'm gonna do. I decided before Halloween. Hopefully you guys could join the party, and this is my name on here. So yeah, hopefully you guys could join. Hopefully subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.